welcome back to my channel, The Shining Shina, and The Shina is back. Well, yet again, I'm back with a new video, a new skincare video. Actually, nowadays in lockdown, I'm doing less kind of makeup and more of skincare. So today I'm here with a new skincare video, and this time it is my favorite brand. You all know it, what brand is my favorite, and it's my most favorite brand. I have been using their products since a very long time, since I've been introduced to skincare brands which doesn't use chemicals, which doesn't use parabens, and which is actually chemical free, paraben free. And one of the brand is Plum. So I have been raving about this brand since a very long time in so many of my videos, and here I am with a new skincare routine, one brand skincare routine, which is Plum. And very exciting news is at the end of this video, so you just need to watch this video till the end. And yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, recently I actually received a package from Plum, which is my favorite brand. And since I already have combination skin type, I have been using their green tea range, their green tea toner, and even I have used their chamomile scrub. And so recently I received a package on their 6th anniversary. I received a package which is this is actually green tea skincare kit, which is travel edition. So what is so special in this is that you get like minis of the green tea range. Like, you get a moisturizer, you get a cleanser, you get a toner, you get a clay mask, and which is so amazing because I absolutely love their green tea range. I'll just show you that I have been using their range since a very long time. I have their products, like I have their night repair gel. You must have seen it in my last video, and I love the product, so I can't stop raving about those. So I'll be explaining side by side what is their product for, and I'll be doing the usage of products on this side of my video. You can see how I'm using it. So yeah, let's not waste the time and get into the explanation of these products and what is this green tea range. So basically, this green tea range has a travel edition, which is basically for oily combination on acne prone skin, which I have combination to oily skin. Mostly sometimes it becomes really oily when it's like summer. You need to know CTM. What is CTM? You definitely need to know. You definitely need to follow this regime in your skincare. So what you have to do is you have to first cleanse your face, and for cleansing we have green tea pore cleansing face wash. We have this green tea pore cleansing face wash. After this, so once you have cleansed your face, the next step is the most important step, that is to tone your face, to close down the pores which have been opened up after washing your face. And it is really necessary to tone down, to get rid of acne, to avoid acne. So toning is really important. So you get a green tea alcohol free toner in this range, which is amazing. You just have to use it on your face, pat it on your face after you have cleansed your face. Take a cotton pad, damp it over cotton pad, and just pat it on your face as I'm doing over here. So once the toning is done, what you have to do next is moisturize. So they give you 2 moisturizer, one for day use and one for night use, which is just amazing because both moisturizer, both day and night, has their own uses. Oh, I am so happy that they have given night moisturizer as green tea renewed clarity night gel, which I have in the big packaging. I use this every night. Oh my god, I'm just so happy about it. So I use this every night, and this is a mattifying moisturizer because obviously when you are acne prone skin, when you're on oily skin, you need a mattifying moisturizer, a moisturizer which is not oil based and which is like water based or hydrating, more hydrating but not oily at all. So this is a mattifying moisturizer which you can use on day basis, which I bought all of these like separately. They do like ye minis hai na, so they do sell them in set but in the larger bottles also. So at first when I started using their products, I purchased the green tea set only and उन larger bottles में था, and I also bought their you have seen it in last video. I use a renewed clarity night gel. I'll just show you which gel I was talking about. And at last they give you green tea clear face mask, which I had earlier and they have given it again. I had like emptied that pot of this green tea clay face mask, and I'm happy I've got all of that in this packaging again, so I don't have to buy again those big bottles. पहले वाला थोड़ा बहुत चल रहा है और ये और चल जाएगा. I'm really happy about it. The first product that I bought from their brand was one thing which was really raved about at that point of time, which is like 4 to 5 years ago. It was really raved by every blogger and influencer was there. Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kajal. So definitely this kajal is worth buying. It's the blackest black kajal and it stays for really long. And it had, I don't know now they have the smudger or not. It also has a kajal which has a smudger at the back, but at this point, okay, they have sent me a kajal in this box with a beautiful sharpener like this, and this is their kajal. And after that, I've also received, I use chamomile face scrub. You must have seen in some of my video, I use chamomile face scrub from their range. So I have this time received chamomile and white tea glow getter face mask from their range. I'm so happy. Thank you, Plum, for sending me all this. I have been a fan of your brand for sure, for always, and I'm loving that you people have sent me these products. So the good news is that, guys, on their 6th anniversary, there's a big amazing sale going on their website, on their own website, plumgoodness.com. I'll leave the link down below, and you can get amazing discounts on there, and you can buy this set, this mini set, green tea set travel kit over there. And after buying this, you will also receive goodies. You will also receive this kajal for free. Definitely this kajal is for free for any order that you order up there on this site. So this kajal is free for you in that order. Let me know if you have been using this Plum product like pehle se, or you are going to purchase, because I am a big fan of their products. If you really want to buy some good deals, just go to their site, buy some good deals. I will like drop a link down below. Amazing sale, and this is a paraben free brand. You should buy it. I have been a very loyal customer of Plum, and I have been recommending this to my professional makeup students also, ki use Plum products. So they are really good, because I have personally used them since 3 to 4 years. So yeah, you have seen what all products I have been using since 3 to 4 years, and I have again received these mini travel kits from their own site, and I am loving that. So you need to go and buy that. So I hope you like this video, this short skin tutorial, and if you did so, please like, share and subscribe, and wait for the next video. I am definitely coming up with some more videos which is requested by you. I am coming up with a makeup video. I am coming up with a jewelry haul. So stay tuned. Bye.